If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe.
Top for Best RCA Audio Cable Review 2025.
Number 4.
Description: 6 in OCC multi-layer shielding anti-interference high purity OCC conductor high fidelity sound quality transmission. Pure copper RH ODM plated plug. The interface material is made of high-quality rhodium plated metal which is professionally produced for better signal transmission. Shielded explosion-proof shell. Shielding electromagnetic interference to purify signals from the source of.
Number 3.
Carbon fiber plug shell. Carbon fiber plug shell provides excellent shielding performance and structural strength. Subwoofer to receiver cable. Digital coaxial cable VSRC, for in 99.99% OFC core crafted, with for in 99.99% OFC. This cable resists corrosion and offers clear, uninterrupted sound.
Number 2.
Description: brand, American Card S. Model, TWINLNK IC signal line. Specifications: on 8mm, 2 cores with shielding, 2 cores of OFC oxygen-free copper, shielding made of tin material. Sound characteristics: the prominent position of the middle and low frequency is relatively round and full, and the low frequency is obviously rounded. Package: pair of Carta S RCA cables.
Number 1.
Specifications: application, amplifier, type, audio line, connector 8, RCA, model number, AG to 36, gender, male, brand name, TODN, origin, mainland China.
If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.